back here on TV 18. Thanks for hanging out with us. Tom Caldwell has joined us from the Peak Brewery. You can find them right downtown Winter Park, again on that shuttle route. Great big grand opening sign out front. So he's brought some beer, and of course Jerry has stayed because Jerry loves beer.
This is true.
And that's the only reason. But thanks for being here, Tom.
Yeah, thanks
and
for
I'm
having us.
excited. You brought so many things, but tell me a little bit about you and your brewing career. How long have you been the brewmaster?
So I've been at the Peak now.
Yeah.
It's only been about 2 months since
Okay,
they
right,
bought it.
right,
But
right.
originally it was the library,
Yep.
and I was there for about 2.5 years.
Okay.
And then before that, I was down the road at the Grand Lake Brewery.
Okay.
And I worked there for about 4 years.
Nice.
And,
Very nice.
Originally, I came up to work for the National Sports Center for the Disabled. and
Right, for a season.
Was looking
and
for a fall kind of
Okay.
winter summer job,
Yeah.
and fell into the Grand Lake Brewery
Okay.
and just kind of worked my way up, and
Cool.
eventually was a full-time brewer there.
Nice.
And,
Did you always have a passion for, I mean, besides like enjoying to drink
Yeah,
beer, but like the different kinds and the,
I started homebrewing in college.
okay.
I really got into it then.
Cool.
And I just,
Right.
everyone I guess dreams about running a brewery and
right.
being in a brewery. I never really thought it would happen.
Yeah,
but,
it did.
Yeah, it just kind of all fell in place. And,
Cool.
I was really lucky.
Yeah. What
Hard
did you
work
bring
and-
us here?
So we got kind of a whole range of stuff here, from the dark stout, and then we got an ESB, which is kind of right in the middle. It's
Okay.
got a darker color, a little more malt
Okay,
to it, but
okay.
not quite as hoppy.
Yeah.
And
I'm
then,
good with not very hoppy, so I'll take that one,
There you
please.
go.
The other way around. I like hoppy.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, we
really
got- we
why?
got a-
Why do you like hoppy?
I like the pungency, especially like on a hot summer day. I like a hoppy beer
Yeah.
because it's got that tang. It's
Yeah.
real refreshing. It's bright. It's
Yeah.
crisp.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
I brought 2 of our wheat beers. We got a honey
Great.
wheat.
Love
and
that.
Then we do a wheat beer with some blueberry pomegranate
That's
juice in.
right.
That's really popular.
I
Awesome.
love your coffee stout.
The coffee
I
stout's
was in
been
the
a
other day
big
and had
seller,
that. It was
yeah.
outrageous.
Yeah, and that's done with the local roastery
Right.
From Libby.
Yep.
Cool.
And so it's
Do
been a really
you
popular
make
one.
up the recipes and stuff and like
I do,
research
yeah.
and
Some of them were from the library,
Okay,
and
okay.
I've changed them and kind of
Yeah,
modified them
yeah.
to the way I like them.
Yeah.
Other ones I just kind of make up. The coffee stout.
Right.
My sister lives in Seattle
Okay.
and is big into coffee.
Yeah.
And she told me about the cold brew coffee, and
Cool.
I was like, oh, that would go really good into our stout.
right.
The stout that I do is an oatmeal stout,
Okay.
and it's also got lactose, which is cream from basically derived from milk.
Yeah.
So you got your oats and your cream and the coffee and the
Right.
beer, and it's just kind of
Cool.
breakfast to go.
I had the oatmeal stout
Right.
the same day that I was in, I don't know, watching some football game.
Yeah.
Right.
Had the oatmeal stout too, and it was
Good.
excellent.
Nice, yeah. It's a
Cool.
good sweet stout. It's got a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
It's a good dessert beer, I think.
A dessert beer. Snazzy.
So, and then the other one I got an IPA
Okay.
here, and then I brought this other one, which is kind of like a pale ale that I brew with a bunch of Pilsner malt.
Oh,
So it gives it a different color. It's really light.
yeah.
It's, it's kind of like a light beer, like a Budweiser, only
Okay.
it's gonna have
Okay.
a lot more hops and a little more flavor to it.
Okay.
So
Okay. Well, I'll take a honey
Yeah.
one if you want to pour me that,
yeah,
please.
for sure.
How long does it take
you
to
wanna try the
brew?
WPA?
Go for it if you want to. How long does it take to brew a batch?
So a batch of wheat beer will take about 2 weeks
Oh, not bad.
from start to finish.
Thank you.
And then anything that has a lot of hops, it will take those 2 weeks, and then I'll sit it on dry hop for about a week.
Oh.
So then I'll actually throw more hops into the cellar, and then it will sit with hops for
Yeah.
a little bit and kind of absorb all those.
And
good
all of it
flavors.
happens right at the peak. People can kind of see you working, and
yep.
all the tanks are there.
Oh
and
yeah,
Yeah.
sitting
All the-
down there.
Yeah, you got the mash tun
Just
and
kind of
everything.
sitting down there, working away,
Right,
and
right.
come and view me, watch me work, and talk to myself, and
You don't have to talk to yourself, Tom.
I like the honey. I'm a honey girl.
Are you?
Yes. Tell me if people aren't big beer drinkers out of this selection, if they're coming to the peak, what's a
Yeah.
good one to try?
the honey is a really popular one. It's really light, really easy drinking.
Yeah. Yes. Very.
This blueberry one is really popular because it just tastes like blueberry pomegranate juice.
Okay.
So it's actually healthy for you. You got all those antioxidants and all that good stuff. So you can't beat it.
We're going to take a quick break here on TV 18, talking with Tom, the Peak Brewery, about all the different kinds of beers. We'll be back with some more. Got to try the pomegranate one that he just talked about, and the stout. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. We'll be back.
Beer, it's not just for breakfast.